Okay, the first app of today is a GoLocker theme. So here we have the theme called Shutter. All you have to do is pull this down and it unlocks like a shutter. Boom. The best part about this theme is although it has all these cool animations, it also has a quick shortcut to your phone, your messages, and your camera. I can just swipe and there, boom, I can go straight to my phone. It's a really nice theme by GoLocker. It's called Shutter. Next up we have Million Moments. Check it out. It's a nice little gallery app which arranges your pictures into a kind of like notebook or photo book. So check it out. Here I have my notebook made. So boom, you click it. You can swipe, and as you can see, it has a swipe effect, page turning effect. So I go from page to page, it dates it, and you can even add your comments. If you click right here, you can add your own comment. You can delete the picture, and suppose I don't like the cropping of this picture, I can move the crop around. I can just swipe it left or right, crop the picture the way I want it, and then just click, and boom, it's cropped. You can make your own photo book by clicking up right over there, import. And let's go to wallpapers. Let's select all and then click import, right? And then it's done. And there. Now we have more photos added to our photo book. Flip it. You can even tag our picture. Suppose I want to tag right there. Flip it down, click the tag button, and boom, I tagged it. I can tag this one too. And I can tag that one too. It's a really nice, really smooth app called Million Moments by Sony. Next up we have MI Home. MI Home is basically a home replacement. It's based off MIUI ROM, and we have the MIUI ROM widgets, and we even have the MIUI locker installed with it. Comes with it. Check it out. Very smooth locker. It doesn't have an app drawer, so all the apps are iPhone style. You can just swipe it. You can change the transition animation between the swipes. You can have this widget, which is a power control widget. So you click there and boom, you have a nice little animation and you have all these controls. Go back, boom, right? It's a really nice little home replacement if you like, without an app drawer. Next up we have another launcher. It's called Rabbit Launcher. So this is a home replacement again, but based off animations and 3D effects. Check it out. It's based off of live wallpaper, and you can even see these cubes down here rotating around my phone, my contacts, and my, what is that, messages, internet, and all that stuff. So it's a nice little, you swipe, you can see the clouds moving. Swipe again. You can even click on the earth over here, and boom, it becomes daytime. Click it again, it becomes nighttime. Nice little, it's based off, what you might call it, live wallpaper. You can even click right over there in the upper left corner for themes. You can apply a different theme. So it's a nice little launcher called Rabbit Home. Next up we have Relaunch. Relaunch gives you quick access to all your apps, which is categorized automatically by Relaunch. So you can access Relaunch by swiping anywhere. You can set it to any corner of your screen or any side of the screen. So I've set it to my left side, upper corner, upper side. So as you can see, I can just swipe it, and there you have Relaunch. I can go to different categories. I can go to talk, play, work, seek, relax, setup, and all this stuff. You can even categorize manually as you want it, and you can go to any app I want. Suppose I want to go to Zeit, and boom, right from there. I can again swipe, and there you have it. I can go to Angry Birds right from here, or Netflix. So nice little app to access, quick access to all your apps from any app you want. So that's Relaunch. Next up we have Wallbase. Wallbase is basically a wallpaper app. So you can choose your wallpapers from popular, random, saved, or tags. Tags is basically categories. So you can scroll wallpapers side, or I can just click right there and go to the popular category and scroll all these wallpapers. Really nice. I can click on one of the wallpapers I like. I can download it, I can share it, and I can even save it and set it to my home right from this app. Alright? We can even go to random, and boom, we're in random, right? You can flick. And if you go to tags, which is categories, you can see all these different categories. Click on one of them and you go to that category. You have right over here the button Safe for Work, which is SFW, shortcutted, and Sketchy. This is basically to hide all those dirty pictures or whatever. Alright, so that's Wallbase Wallpaper app. Nice wallpaper app. Next up, we have Solid Explorer. Solid Explorer is basically a file manager with two windows which we can access by swiping left and right. So here I have two windows. One of them is arranged in a list view and the other is arranged in a grid view. So really nice, right? So suppose I want to go to one of these folders. Let's go to Awesome Wallpaper, alright? And I like this picture, okay? So I can just copy this picture, right? And then I can go here into the different window and paste it to any of these folders. So nice little file manager called File Explorer. What is that? No, called Solid Explorer. You even have this menu button, which we can go to file sharing and all these other stuff. Sorting, we can even change the view style, and we can even go to the settings from here. We have actions, where we can copy, paste, delete, select, multi-select, and all this stuff. So this is Solid Explorer. Next up, we have Fancy. Fancy is basically a nice little app to find all cool stuff. Check it out. So here I have Fancy, and as you can see, each product or whatever is categorized by the photo, and you can click on the photo and you can read all the comments and you can fancy it yourself by clicking the fancy button. The best part about this is right now you're viewing all the popular and the latest ones. So you can click right there, go to browse by category, you can go to gadgets. Now we're in gadgets. So check it out. Here we have Hyperjuice charger, which is charging 2 iPads at the same time. And nice little neat stuff which you will never find anywhere else on the internet. It's really nice to find cool stuff. Look at this shockproof iPad case. You can just fancy that by clicking fancy. So all these nice little gadgets and cool stuff which you would never ever discover. So this is Fancy. You can even invite friends to Fancy, and I can invite anyone you want. My invitation is down below in the video description. Check it out, click it, and add yourself to Fancy. It'll help me out. Thanks. Next up, we have SwiftKey X. SwiftKey X is a keyboard, which all of you may have heard about it. It's a really nice little keyboard. Check it out. So I'm going to my text messages, add a new text message, and click Add, right? Oh, by the way, this is called Rainbow Theme for GoSMS Pro. Okay, so this is SwiftKey X, nice little large keyboard. You can have different keyboard layouts, black, white, whatever. The best part about it is not that. So now check it out. Suppose I type something and I don't want this. I can just swipe it back and it deletes. Type something, swipe it back, it deletes. So let's type something, and then suppose I want to capitalize a word. I can just flick it up and capitalize. See, it's capitalized. So really nice. I can even hold, and I can go to all these smiley faces, right? But the best part about this is it learns the words. It learns the words, and then you can be like, the application is AW awesome. See, it learns the word that I like, and it types it up. So it shows you the best possible prediction. So that is SwiftKey X. Next up, we have CalcTape. CalcTape is basically a calculator. So here we have, it shows you your previous calculation. You can clear it. And there, it's cleared, right? Now suppose I want to add. The best part about it is I click plus equals, right? And it shows everything step by step. I can even go back and edit a number. I can add a number, I can delete a number, and all that stuff. And then it changes the total accordingly. I can add more stuff, and it shows me all my calculations. See? So it shows me everything. I can scroll back, see what I've done previously. So nice little calculator called CalcTape. Alright, those are the apps of today. My favorites would be Million Moments, MI Home, Relaunch, and Wallbase. These would be my top favorite, and of course Fancy. I always have Fancy. SwiftKey X, actually all of them are my favorite. All of them I'm going to keep.
Let me know what your favorite app was in the comments below. Alright, that's it for now. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe.